We got nowhere to be, just a slow dance with the summer heat. The world outside can't wait a few, 'cause right now we got nothing else to do. The sun is peeking through the cotton white blinds. Your hands
Out here at the sand dunes in Indiana, and pets can come on here, so we figured why not stop and let Chancey have some fun.
She's running around already.
Yep. She's gonna be one tired pup today. Dig your hole.
Dig.
Dig. Get it.
You got.
Yep. Get it. Do your thing. Do whatever you wanted to get it. Get it. Stop getting my feet. Oh my god. And it's a stick. You want to take her down to the water and see what it's like?
Yeah.
Which lake is this?
Like Michigan? I don't know.
It's one of the Great Lakes.
I think it's Lake Michigan.
This is crazy.
This is super cool.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. We're not so sure about it. The water's really cold.
Yeah, I bet it
Oh
is.
my gosh. Come on.
There you go. Get it. Nope. Okay.
Come on. Chancey.
It's too big of a wave, Mom. I can't catch it.
Get it.
That got me.
I think we're done with it for quite a while.
up in mine. Feet on the wall, your head on me, floating easy. We got nowhere to be. Got nowhere to be. Your hair's a mess, but you don't mind. You just laugh, let it fall where it likes.
So apparently now we are on a road that is going to be the prettiest drive through Indiana, my understanding. That's what the brochure says.
Yes.
So, but it's for Camel Beach. So you drive this green tunnel down, and then I think we'll be right along the lake. This is a lot of low-hanging stuff too, guys, so.
Yeah, it's a little scary. It's pretty, though.
It's very pretty, but I'll tell you what, if you bring a big rig through here, probably not the best idea, because you're going to take some branches out for sure.
At least they're small branches, but yeah, still.
Yeah.
Falls slowly on the naked skin upon your back. Oh, it feels like that, like a love song on a worn out track. Yeah, it feels like that. Feels like that. Yeah, it feels like that. Na 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 na. Feels like that. Oh, it feels like that, like summer air through window crack. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer sun on quiet tracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer rain that falls so slowly on the naked skin upon your back.
White Castle's time. We acquired the goods. I got 4 hamburgers. She got 2 breakfast Sammies.
Breakfast waffle sliders.
Yep,
Oh, there they are.
yep.
Thank
I
you.
knew where they were. I
Thank
need
you.
mustard. I'm
Okay.
sorry.
I'll get it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, it's got the Ironheart on there from Disney. They're a new thing. That
Oh.
new series I was telling you about.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's really cool. It's like right there on the container. That's awesome. Amanda's a good princess. Amanda's a good passenger princess because she does everything we need, but she sounds like she's dying right now. You like the view of her butt?
I know, really.
That's for our
Do you
only...
want anything else?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna put stuff back in.
Sounds good. That is for our only vans segment.
Oh, God. No, don't even. Gotta step over the eating dog
Yeah.
without
She's,
disturbing her.
She's a little tired, that's for sure.
Whew. I'm a little
that's
tired
a-
from running with her.
That's a small onion ring. That's insane.
Is it big?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, I don't need this yet.
We don't need that yet. There's that. Thank you for getting that.
Of course, I got you.
And if you don't know what White Castles is, they're just little tiny sliders, and I always get extra pickle on mine, and I put mustard on mine.
Yep.
I do love it.
I love their breakfast.
Yeah, I know you guys have seen it before on our channel when we were in Arizona, because they have them in Arizona.
They look so good. I mean,
Yeah,
this
it
one's
does.
pretty messy.
That is.
But waffle, bacon, real egg,
Yep.
and cheese. And they're Belgian waffles, so they're a little sweet,
Yep.
but they're so good.
Chancey just tried to eat my White Castles.
That's nothing new.
She would die.
She probably would, yeah, with all the onions and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh my God, it's such a mess.
Well, today is Eat Bad Day.
Today's
because it's
eat all
White
the
Castles,
food day.
Yep. And then we're going to hit Skyline on the way, too.
Not that we've been eating great,
Mm-mm.
but it's fine.
I'm going to chalk this week up to what we tried.
That's what happens when you go back home
Home, yeah.
to eat all the food that you've been missing for God knows how long.
Mm-hmm. And of course, they have like 2 of these in Arizona now.
Mm-hmm.
But we don't have Skyline. Tell you that. And the last time that we had Skyline was when we went to Florida with family.
Mm-hmm.
And we drove all the way over to Tampa to get it. So, we are going to eat this. And then start heading to Skyline. Because it's just going to be a food trip today after the dunes.
That's fine.
I'm fine. And then we are going to try to hit another national park over there. But we'll see.
And we'll see if it works out or not.
Yeah. but we got Pennsylvania. That's the prettiest sign ever.
I know.
Made it to New York. The most underwhelming sign ever.
I know, jeez.
That's kind of sad.
Get a better sign.
Yep. Toll roads. Woo!
More.
It's the next day, and we had our Skyline. We didn't video it.
We got so excited. We were halfway done eating, and we were like, oh, we didn't video anything.
Yep.
It's fine.
Yep. And so we parked out of Love's, camped out, and now we're on the trail for the Eternal Flame.
Yeah. It is crazy over here.
Yep. You can stop. Infernal Flame number 2. Don't know what that means, but we're on the right path.
Yep. Guess we follow the flames until we get there.
Yep.
It's a little wet from all the rain.
Yep.
I found a route.
Made it to the Eternal Flame. Look at that, in a waterfall and everything.
I know.
Absolutely so cool.
It's fed from natural gases.
Yep, and it never dies. That's so cool. If you want to come see this, it's a hike.
It's
There's
not
a
bad.
it's a lot of stairs going up.
Yeah, that's gonna be fun. Go ahead.
Whoop, whoop. If I do the tippy toe. You make this look so easy with 4 legs.
I know, doesn't she?
Not fair. Or we can just fumble through it.
Yeah, pretty much.
Just fumble through it.
You know, I took the side where I could just walk. you
Well,
know.
we want to be adventure. Chancey wants adventure. Because we want her to sleep tonight.
Yes, that we do. All the stairs. Oh my gosh.
Everybody thinks I'm mean. Yeah.
You look so nice.
I know. Well, everybody thinks she has a muzzle on.
Oh,
Yeah.
my roommate had one, but that dog was like 16.
Yeah.
Kind of similar build.
10 years old, acts like she's 2 still.
Oh my god.
Yeah, she has a generator on. Oh, there comes an on. You can come down.
Yeah.
She has a general on because she actually gave her a concussion. She went around and gave her a really
Knocked
bad
me over.
medical concussion. Yeah.
Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah. So,
You want to bring her over there?
Adorable.
Thank you.
thank you. She wants to go hunt
I
for things
know.
that she can't catch because she thinks she's a hunter dog.
Huh.
Yeah. That's why she's just staring up there.
She's like,
She
"Oh."
thinks she hears something. So,
Probably does. There's little things running around all over the place.
yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, thanks. You'll enjoy it. Sit down. Sit now. Sit. I know.
I know.
Everybody's so excited.
She is too. It's my dog is this reactive one. Look at her.
Yeah.
Appreciate you guys. Thank
Of
you.
course.
She's reacted too, but she's good at ignoring now.
Oh, yeah.
We've
Yeah.
been working on it for a couple years.
Yeah, she just whines. Yeah.
You too.
Thank you too.
There you go, on the stairs. Got the mud splatter.
Yep. Whew. Done with the hike. We just finished off some dip. Yes, we are wearing the same shirts. That's nothing new, you guys.
It's fine.
Yep. But we are about to head to some family and chill there until we head to the canoe trip. So you will see us next time in the water. Goodbye, Eternal Flame. We enjoyed you, and it was a lot of stairs.